Types of pollination. Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of the flower. It is of three types: autogamy, geitonogamy and xenogamy. Autogamy is a type of pollination in which bisexual flower is pollinated by its own pollen grains. For example, pea plant. Geitonogamy is the transfer of pollen grain to a stigma of a different flower produced on the same plant. For example, Cucurbita maxima. Xenogamy is a type of cross-pollination when pollen grain of one flower is deposited on the stigma of a flower of different plant belonging to same species with the help of pollinating agency. Cross-pollination requires various agents as follows. Abiotic agents. Pollination by wind is called anemophily. Most of the important crop plants are wind-pollinated. These includes wheat, rice, corn, rye, barley and oats. Pollination by water is called hydrophily. Hydrophily is of two types, hypohydrophily and epihydrophily. In hypohydrophily, pollination occurs below the surface of water, whereas in epihydrophily pollination occurs on water surface. Biotic agents. Pollination by insects is called entomophily. It occurs in rose, jasmine, sistrum. Pollination by birds is called ornithophily. These birds usually have small size and long beaks. For example, sunbirds and hummingbirds. Some ornithophilous plants are bombax, callistemon, bottlebrush, and batia. Pollination by bats is called chiropterophily. Bats can transport pollen over long distance, sometimes several kilometers. Pollination by snails is called malicophily. Overview of pollination.